Sabi natin, presyong kalulu, pamanganak ka. Nan, babo kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Grabe Mark, for today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Dolores City of San Fernando, Pampanga. And we were invited to come and check out this OC Pocket Shawarma.
Actually, this is the newest
in town,
na pwede niyong tikman.
Actually, so if you notice guys, meron silang promo ngayon. Buy 2, you get free gulaman. And narinig ko, isa pa sa mga mas try nila dito sa gulaman, no?
Actually, yun nga yung sabi nila na ang pinupuntahan talaga dito is yung kanilang gulaman. So later titikman natin.
Exactly.
So if you're interested to know more about their products, samahan nyo kami. So tara, let's go! Pakita natin yung ating pocket shawarma. This is how it looks like. Ayan. So, yung flavor ng akin is yung kanilang chicken. And yung sa kabila naman is yung beef
flavor. Ayan. So, if you notice guys, it's a pocket shawarma. Kasi nga, hindi to yung usual na niro-roll.
Yes.
Ayan. So, ito yung parang talaga siya. Pocket siya. Hot sauce. Okay. Ayan, so tingnan natin itong beef naman nila. Good. Good. Maparsyo.
Ay, wow. Yung hot sauce niya talagang super, kahit konti lang yung lagay. Legit, no?
Actually, kanina niluluto to. Piniprepare pa lang. Amoy na yung, parang mga Arabian food yung naaamoy mo dun sa habang niluluto siya. And then actually, tama nga sila, no? Yung sobrang nagdadala dito is yung meat at saka yung sauce. I mean, sabi mo nga, vegetables usual eh. You can get that from palengke or supermarket. But the way you prepare the meat and the sauce, yun talaga actually.
Plus yung pita bread.
Yes. Actually, yung pita bread nila is malambot. And talagang sok na sa shawarma.
Ayan guys, so let's try this one.
Sulit na sulit, puno-puno. Yung beef is 70 pesos for the pocket shawarma. Yung chicken niya is 60 pesos.
And they have a promo na if you buy 2, any of these serve nila, you will get free gulaman.
Actually, in fairness, ay siya, para ka na ako net, tama nga si ma'am. Hindi typical na sweet lang talaga yung meat. No, hindi siya...
Yung iba kasi parang, meron kasing shawarma na parang like barbecue style.
Yes, para teriyaki, ganun na yung ano. And in fairness, ito, nagugustuhan ko itong sauce nila. And then, actually available yung kanilang mga salad. I think for this one, hindi ito yung parang messy siya na kinakain sa bibig.
Ay.
Right, tingnan nila. Salad talaga. Ayan, okay.
Yan, pwede yan pag nasa party ka. Usually, mga nag-order na yung may padlock sila.
Yes.
Order sila, yung naka-tray na.
Yes.
Oo.
Just pwedeng tray ito?
Pwede.
How much is that?
1,000. Oo, 1,000 yung isang malaki.
I think, no, para sa akin, it's the presentation. Parang ganun. So this one is typical quesadillas. But again, the flavor, the taste, siguradong magugustuhan.
Shawarma.
So this one is
Not your ordinary garlic.
not your ordinary garlic sauce.
Not your ordinary garlic sauce.
Not your ordinary garlic sauce. So it comes with two variations naman guys. Kung ayaw mo yung manghang, available naman yung regular na. Ayan. So yung burger natin, it has vegetable like lettuce, cheese, and then meron tayong chicken fillet. If you notice guys, ayan, so yung chicken natin, lumalabas na dun sa ano, burger bun.
itself, you know?
So when you order this, per piece din siya. Per piece ay kada. Okay, look at this. Ang ganda ng kulay, oh. Very green. And then, ayan, golden brown naman yung chicken natin. Okay, cheers bro. Yeah, for this one, I think this is in itself, it's a complete meal.
A full meal.
It's a full meal.
Actually, yung isang kagat ko pa lang, feeling ko busog na ako.
Okay.
Chicken yung masarap. Kasi mo yung flavor niya, at the same time, nasa loob yung lasa niya.
Okay. If you're to ask me guys, ako, I'll go for the shawarma. I'll still go for the shawarma. Hindi nag-over yung lasa na parang very foreign na sa atin. At least meron pa rin siyang
Filipino taste.
Filipino taste. So, ang store po natin is open from what time?
1 to 8 p.m.
Okay.
Dito in front of Chicken Claw Restaurant, dun sa yung ipagdaan ng dating Yahoo.
Yes. Yes. Yun yung pinaka-landmark natin, guys. And then we are open from Monday to Sunday or
Daily every day.
daily every day.
Most probably yung first quarter ng January. Mag-i-open na natin sa burger.
Okay. So again guys, if you're interested to do partner with them, hanap na kayo ng pwesto ninyo. Eh, for sure papatok to rin sa, imagine first day, more than 300.
Yes.
Alright, so yun nga guys, again thank you so much for being with us in this video. Mark, let's do a wrap up. Saan ka nag-enjoy doon sa pagkain natin?
Actually, nag-enjoy talaga ako doon sa shawarma nila. Kasi nakisa lang ako, pero feeling ko busog na ako.
Busog na busog ka guys. And para sa akin naman, swak na swak sa akin yung sauce nila.
Yes, actually.
Actually, parang aadapin kayong Kapampangan, atumbok na yan. Kasi nakuha nila yung parang kiliti na gustong-gusto ko sa mga sauce.
When it comes to flavor naman, they are available in beef and chicken.
Alright, so there you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Make sure to check out OC Pocket Shawarma. This is a new shawarma dito po sa San Fernando, Pampanga. And again, if you're interested to inquire for a franchise, make sure to contact them po.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.